Hi guys, today I'm going to explain to you about my final year project, which is a secure notepad application. So first of all, I'm going to address to you some of throughout this presentation. I'm going to address to you the objectives that I've achieved and the tests that I've run throughout this project. I'm going to demo to you those testings and also the how this application work. So first of all, we need to. This is the first screen that we will be seeing when we open the app, and so here I prove that the biometric authentication has been done. So first, when we first during the first opening of the app, we need to use the pin to set the pin. So first of all, as we can see here, create a four-digit pin. So we need to create a four-digit pin first. So I'm just clicking 0000 four times. Another, we are going to confirm our pin 000 and 0. Okay, after confirming our pin, here we are getting a recovery code. Okay, this recovery code will never be shown again. So whenever, if let's say we forget our password, or there is a particular application in my system where there is a backup system. So when the notes when we put the wrong password for multiple times, where that multiple times, so we will be setting up. For example, if we set up the multiple times is to three, so if three times we fail to enter the correct pin, the note will be automatically deleted. So to restore back this note, this code will be used. So this code will must be saved somewhere in our device, as this is an offline app. So we need to save this code somewhere. Whenever, if we forget the app's password, for example, the password that I put 0000, if we forget that, we need to use this particular code to enter our app or to restore back our notes. So I'm just gonna click on save it. Okay, so now we have entered the main page of our secure notepad app. As we can see, we can add note here. We have a settings button. This QR code scanning button is when we scan a QR code. For example, if two devices have this application and they want to transfer their notes, they can just scan the note from another device so that they can just transfer the note to get the note. When the note will be encrypted first in AES 256 encryption algorithm. After that, we need to decrypt it in another side. So that's what this QR logo is showing. So first of all, I'm just going to show you the settings page. So to enter settings page, we need some verification. As we can see, we just enter our PIN. So this is highly secure. As we even want to change any settings, also we need to be putting in our password. Okay, now we can see the settings page. So this settings page, as we can see, we can set our change pin, maximum fail attempts. For example, if we attempt five times and five times it has failed, then we will be going for a lock. So I can set it down to three, for example. I set it down to three, and we have dark mode, which will change the app to a dark mode. So after that, if we save our settings, so as we can see, it has changed to the dark mode now. Okay, now we are going to look into the creation of the node. So how the notes going to be created? So when we add note, after that it will bring us to this page. So here we have the node security level. So where the node can be secured under three level. For example, um, one is a normal level. Another thing is a secure where the wrong attempts will wipe this node out. Another thing is hidden where the wrong pin will open a decoy node where it's like a fake node. It will open a fake node. So I just want to demo the fake node part where which I find interesting. So here we will have a configure decoy content. So we can actually prepare what which decoy content even we want. So for example, I will so that's the thing where we can actually make the thing where it will show the wrong content.